I'm Bryn.
And I'm Jade, and this is Talisman, a 28-foot Sultan stag. In case you're new to our channel, let me catch you up. We bought Talisman in 2019 and then left the UK in July 2021 with less than 200 nautical miles sailing experience. We crossed the Bay of Biscay and headed down towards the Mediterranean, and it's already been a huge adventure with so much more to come. We'd like to share our real and honest experiences with you that we gather from a life at sea. It's going to be a crazy ride. So hit subscribe and join our journey every Friday. Last time you saw us, we sailed away from Gibraltar and arrived at our anchorage in Marbella. Just a brief overnight stay. Our plan today is to set sail from Marbella, arriving here in La Herradura. So where we want to go is completely head into wind. We're going to basically go off course and then do a tack to get to our destination. At least that's the plan, because the wind's picked up a bit now, so that's enough for us to sail. Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
That's the plan, right?
That is the plan. We'll give it a go, and all we can do is try. Yeah.
So we're just adjusting our course now to this line, and then we're going to get the head sail out. The main's already up. We're going to get the head sail out and see if we can sail the whole way, which would be absolutely amazing. Engine is going off.
Oh my god.
Whoa, yeah.
We're sailing really well. Like, beautifully.
Good. It looks beautiful. The wind's just changed sides, which actually is in our favour, right?
Yeah, this works. We're actually heading to the waypoint now, much better.
But yeah, it's nice. Just chilling now and enjoying the quiet. It's lovely.
Let's relax. This is the best we've actually been sailing in a while. We've got 16 knots of wind now, so probably going to start. We're going to put our life jackets on now, actually. Yeah. But yeah, it's good to be sailing. We're heeling over. Yeah, man, it's just really cool.
So unfortunately the wind has died, so the head sail is going in and it's starting to rain.
There are so many dolphins, so many dolphins. Oh, they're on this side, they're at the front, they're under the boat, they're over there. Oh, whoa. That is amazing. Look at them.
Oh my God.
Oh, they're leaving us.
starting to get dark now. We're about 1 hour away. Gosh, this coastline looks absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's all lit up. I believe it's pronounced Nerja, and yeah, it just looks absolutely amazing, to be honest. Looking forward to seeing what this anchorage is like. We've been motoring on and off. It'll have been about 13-14 hours by the time we get there, probably. Yeah, saw so many dolphins, and it's just been quite chilled, to be honest. It's rained on and off, but nothing major, just spitting a little bit. Yeah, we will be anchoring probably, well yeah, we will be anchoring in the dark, which I haven't done yet, so hopefully it's okay. And yeah, looking forward to seeing what it's like.
Morning. It's 3:30 in the morning, and we've been woken up. Well, I've been woken up.
I wasn't asleep anyway.
Jade wasn't asleep anyway.
It was already very rolly here.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, I was like, "Wow, that's high wind!" And then the high wind alarm started going off. It's been gusting above 30 knots, and we're at anchor here in La Herradura. Thankfully, our anchor is holding really, really well, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. I'll show you the anchor track now. So there's our anchor. That's the wind at the minute. Our plan of action is, if the wind's kicking up, we're going to stay awake. We could potentially go into shifts, but we'll just see how we get on. The plan is that if we start to drag, we switch the engine on and we just put it in tick over forward, just to try and take some of the pressure off the anchor. But with the anchor and with the engine, we should be able to control the boat, hopefully, in winds like this. But yeah, so far we seem to be holding pretty well.
So it was forecast. It kind of was forecast, but basically we made the mistake of, when we were checking the weather, we were checking the we checked the normal wind map rather than gusts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was basically 8 knots wind, but then gusting up to 28 knots, which we've not seen that drastic movement before. So yeah, we should definitely have checked a bit better, and we will from now on.
I think, yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. But the plan is we're actually gonna stay at anchor, and this is due to last for at least a day. So it'll be all day tomorrow and potentially tomorrow night as well. But the only other option is to go into a marina, and we haven't med-moored yet. And also, I wouldn't fancy trying to moor in a marina in this sort of wind. I just don't think it just wouldn't be an easy thing to do, and it could be dangerous. So I think we're safer now we're at anchor to stay at anchor.
Yeah.
We'll keep you all posted if anything happens.
So that was a very sleepless night. We were just like keeping an eye on things, making sure the anchor didn't drag, but thankfully it held amazing. We didn't budge, and yeah, it was just really uncomfortable, a little bit scary, but it was fine in the end, which is awesome. We've had a little peek out today, and it is raining.
Yes.
Doesn't look the best out there. Possible thunderstorms.
Yeah. Because we anchored in the dark last night, so we didn't know where anything was, and there's a buoy like right there. But I think if we maybe just move out into this open bit a little bit, I don't know if this is the right thing to do.
Because we've got a good holding here.
Yeah, the holding's good. So I'm like, why would you move if you've got good holding? Because I don't know what the holding's like over there, but I'm just assuming it's good. I think we'll be okay, actually.
The wind stopped. It looks like we might have dragged a little bit. so we're going to move just to be safe because we're very, very close to that yellow buoy.
We have just dragged a little bit more in this direction, so it's better to be safe than sorry. And trying to do this if it was blowing 30 knots would be hell, so I think it's much better doing it now.
So the anchor's all set. Let's hope this holds well this time. The winds are starting to creep up again now. What's doing the storm and the rain?
You gotta jump in the water.
You gotta jump in the water. Off you pop.
Oh no.
I'm sure it's toasty. You alright? Yeah, you've got it, you've got it. Let's go see if we finally got warm water. Not as warm as I thought, but warmer than we've had. Whew, still takes your breath away though.
Yeah.
Guys, this is so nice. It's like crystal blue water.
And that is how far the boat is from the anchor. The anchor, where it dropped, it must have just buried straight away. Like, you could see in that little video then that it didn't drag, it didn't pull. And we put full reverse on that, so we're really happy with that, really happy.
Thank you all so much for watching and tuning in each week. Even with the sleepless nights and high winds in this anchorage, we decided that we weren't ready to leave yet. The anchorage was home to some beautiful dive sites, so we had to explore some more before we left. Tune in next time as we take a long swim to shore and explore what's under the surface. We also finally have a crack at the dreaded med mooring for the first time as we reach our spot for the winter.